How to fix Messenger not showing active online friends. Messenger only shows active friends if the active status is turned on and if your active status in Messenger is also turned on. And here is how you can check and turn it on. First of all, open the Messenger app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Messenger account. Once inside the Messenger app, all you have to do is tap on the three dashboard option available at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile settings in Messenger. Now, all you have to do is tap on the settings option available there right under your profile. And once inside the settings, simply tap on the active status option available there and make sure that your active status is also toggled on. If your active status is toggled off, then you cannot be seen online as well as you cannot see your friends online as well. But if your active status is turned on, then you and your both can both see each other online on Facebook Messenger. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.